Go on your toes and walk on your toes. Walk forward, backward. Just feel free and just walk on your toes, but feel free only on your toes.
Then on the heels.
Now walk only on your heels.
Heels. You will strengthen again your calf and your upper thigh. Then walk with your side of the feet. Very good for the ankles. Another end of the feet.
Inner sides of the feet.
It is actually activating your nervous system. The first starting warming up should be with the feet.
Because there are a lot of nerve endings in your feet.
It will regulate your blood flow. Then you will be more alert now. You got up. Not anymore sleeping because of this. Now relax.
Ankle rotation. Rotate your legs. The other leg. Exhale when you kick your legs out.
Sides. Control yourself while moving. Don't tilt your body. Relax. Just
Jog on the spot.
always toes and slowly press your heels. That is very important. Should work with your muscles. Calf muscles, thigh muscles. Don't just do this. Slowly, with control. There will be light pain. Enjoy that pain.
Just smile.
With control, see how this will give you, whenever you do Kuttanam or Tattumittu, anything, if you posing, can pose with your toes, give you more control. Just move with your calf muscles. Relax. My shoulders.
Shoulder rotation. Ensure the elbows meet, touch each other. And remember to breathe even when you do the rotation. Opposite direction. Now, both the hands should go in opposite direction. One forward, one backward. One should go front, the other one should go back. It's for concentration. Close your eyes and just concentrate on your elbows. Relax.
Okay, now I'll teach you Surya Namaskar. It's very essential for dancers. First we'll go regular Surya Namaskar. Then we'll go for dancers Surya Namaskar. Okay? Can you just give me the count? Just watch and I will explain to you the rules and regulations after I do. Right and left.
Feet together. Close your eyes. Feel the balance. Inhale, exhale, arms in prayer position. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, hands on the floor. Inhale, right leg behind. Retain left straight. Exhale, knees down, chest down, head down. Inhale, head up, chest up and look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right leg between the hands. Exhale, left joins the right. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, arms in prayer position. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, hands on the floor. Inhale, left leg behind. Retain right straight. Exhale, knees down, chest down, head down. Inhale, chest up, head up and look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, left leg forward between the hands. Exhale, right. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. So this completes one cycle of Surya Namaskaram.
Feet together is a very important thing. Once you place your palm, you should not move your palm anywhere. Should be there. The frame should be in the palm. Whatever you do, and you should finish it in the frame of your palm. Palm is very important. That is the deadline for you. You should not move from there. Okay? If you cannot place your palm, bending your body forward, you can bend your knees, and initial stage you can place your palm. And slowly, as you gain flexibility and your hamstring is stretched maximum, then you can bend without any problem. Okay? And each Surya Namaskara is a very, very powerful warming up exercise in yoga. You can do it in dance. And after dance also you can stretch with Surya Namaskara. It's very, very powerful. Because once you dance, your muscles will be very tensed and tight. because you're doing lots of movement together. That gives you more tension. Once you release with the breath, while breathing in doing Surya Namaskaram, give you more relaxation on your muscles. That is very important. The dancers, after dance, they have to keep their legs against the wall, 90 degree, and relax for 20 minutes. For the reverse flow of blood and protect your heart. Because the reverse is very, very, very hard for the heart to take. Then if you keep that way, you will be ever young. You want to be ever young, then keep that. Then it will give you more easy to take the blood back and supply again. And you will be very protected from varicose vein, any kind of knee problems. Very, very important after dance to keep the leg against the wall 90 degree, and I will show you that, and relax. Now you are going to do this Surya Namaskaram, then we will go for the advance for dancers. Okay? And don't bother about so much bending, because I have been doing long time, that's why I am able to do that this way. Whatever you can, you do, not more than that. Slowly you will reach this point. Attending is very, very, very important. You have to be there. Not thinking that, oh my God, he is doing or she is doing well. What you do, that is very important. And you concentrate on that and just do that. Concentrate what all movement you are doing, what all you feel that. That is very, very essential. Not anything else. Okay? Feet together. Okay. Yeah, that will be good idea. You can go there with the mat. Put it forward. Come here. Samapadam. And how to stand also very important thing. Most of the people I saw, especially girls, stands like this. Okay, it's very, very important, this part. Saushtava, they call the core. You have to stand straight, shoulders straight, relaxed. Should be like this, straight. Okay? Close your eyes and feel the balance. How you can balance? Just feel the balance. You are moving or you are not moving. You should not move. Closing also, you should stand straight.
Let your hands loose on the side of the body.
Now,
Close.
inhale, exhale on prayer position on your chest level. Don't concentrate much on breathing now, concentrate on the postures. Once you get the postures, very easy to breathe. Inhale, arms over your head and arch back. Arch back as much as you can. Exhale, stretch forward, extend your body forward, forward, maximum forward. Don't try to bend, just stretch forward, forward, forward. And place your palm. If you can't place, bend your knee and place your palm by the side of your feet, one line with your feet. Now inhale, right leg back, look up. Right knee down, stretch your toes back. And breathe. Breathe. Now retain left leg back, body straight line. Don't tilt your body down or up. Tilt up, up, up. Body straight line. How you take push-ups. Now exhale, knee down, chest down, lifting a hip up, buttocks up. It's very, very good for lower back. Now inhale, bring your head up, chest up, without lifting your shoulders, look up. Relax your shoulders. Yes, very good. Relax your shoulders. Yes. Now exhale, inverted V, lifting your hip up, and don't move your leg. Try to bring your heels on the ground. Stretch back maximum. Bring your forehead on the mat. Lift your hip up and heels on the ground. Now inhale, right leg between your arms, left knee down, look up, exhale, left leg, inhale, come up and arch back, exhale, relax. One more round. Inhale, exhale, arm prayer position. Now you just concentrate and do. I'm not going to correct you. Inhale, arms serve your head and arch back. Exhale, stretch forward and place your palm by the side of your feet. If you can't place, bend your knee and place. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Retain right body straight line. Straight line, straight line. Don't lift your hip. Straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up without lifting your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Elbows are touching your body. Concentrate on your lower back. Exhale, inverted V.